Hi friends, for all mathematics concepts, please subscribe and click bell icon here. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murali's Maths class. Murali Maths class. So today we will learn trigonometry. Exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2, third problem. Okay. So first we will write what they gave in the problem. To a man standing outside his house, the angle of elevation of the top and bottom of a window are 60 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. If the height of the man is 180 centimeters and if he is 5 meters away from the wall, then what is the height of the window? Root 3 is given as 1.732. So this is the problem. Okay, third one. Now we will see how to solve this. How to solve, we will see. Okay, so first we have to draw the diagram for this. To a man standing outside his house, the angle of elevation of the top and bottom of a window 60 degrees, 45 degrees. So first we have to draw the man standing here. The man is standing here, 180 centimeters height. Okay, the man is standing here, 1 centimeters height. Let us draw the ground also. And this is the ground. And one house here. Okay, house here. Let us think that it is the window. This is top and this is bottom of the window. Now the angle of elevation of top and bottom both are given. So from here you draw one line parallel to this ground. Angle of elevation of top of window is 60 degrees. Bottom is 45 degrees. Now mark some points here: A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So here CD is height of the window. If the height of the man is 180 centimeters, okay, and if he is 5 meters away from the wall, this is wall, 5 meters away, that means this distance. This distance also 5 only. Okay, now we have to find what is the height of this window. For that, what we have to do, first you write what is the height of the window. CD is nothing but height of window. So you have to find CD answer. For finding that, take this triangle first. Triangle ADB. ADB triangle. Apply tan 60. ADB. Tan 60. Opposite is DB. Divided by adjacent AB. So tan 60 we know that is root 3 equals to DB by AB. AB is 5. So here we are neglecting this height of the person. Neglect this height of the person. Okay. So from this we can find DB answer. DB equals to 5 into root 3, that is 5 into root 3, 1.732. Okay, multiply this, you will get 8.66 meters. Okay, yes. Now we have to apply, we have to take one more triangle. Triangle ABC. Apply tan 45. Tan 45 for this triangle ADBC. Opposite is BC. Adjacent is AB again. Tan 45 1. BC we don't know. AB 5. So finally we will get BC answer as 5. BC answer 5, DB answer 8.66. Now CD, height of window, is given as, how to write CD? CD. So we can write DB minus DB minus BC. DB we got 8.66. BC just now we got 5. So 8.66 minus 5, 3.66 meters. Okay, so therefore height of window equals to 3.66 meters. That is the answer. Okay, that's it. So first read the problem and draw the diagram. Here we have to neglect height of the person. Neglect the height of the person and take these two triangles. One is ADB triangle, ADB triangle. Apply tan 60 for that. And then next take ABC triangle, apply tan 45 for that. You will get first one you will get DB answer. DB answer you will get. In second one you will get BC answer. DB answer you will get here. BC answer you will get here. So from DB answer, if you subtract this BC, you will get height of the window. You will get height of the window. That's all. Okay. Thank you.